Welcome students. We are going to see the chapter 1, sets, relations and functions. So first topic is sets, second topic is relations, and third topic is functions. So today we should see the topic 3, functions. Already example exercise in the exercise 1.3 fourth sum, state whether the following relations are functions or not. If it is a function, check for one-to-oneness and onto-ness. If it is not a function, state why. So fourth question, state whether the following relations or functions are not. State first one and the second one. So first one, if A equal to A comma B comma C, set of A equal to A comma B comma C. So A has 3 elements and F equal to function F equal to set of A comma C, B comma C, C comma B. If F such that from A to A. So this statement, relations or function or not. First we should find given the statement is function or not. So secondly, if it is a function, check for one-to-oneness and onto-ness. Next, if it is not a function, state why. So first one, if A equal to A comma B comma C. Solution, given function F such that A to A. So A has 3 elements, namely A, B, C, and also A to another triangle, another diagram A, B, C. So given function is A to C and B to C, B to C and C to B. So case 1, it is a function. It is a function from the diagram. Since the different elements of A does not have different images in A. Have not. Different elements of A does not have different images. So different images not images in A. Therefore F is not one function. So next, one function is not a function since different elements of A does not have different images in A. So F is not one function. Thank you. Next, case 2. Case 1 and case 2. Here, codomain equal to A comma B comma C. So codomain A comma B comma C, and range equal to B comma C. So codomain, the elements of codomain is A, B, C, and the range of elements A, B, comma C. So F is not onto function since codomain does not equal to range. Codomain not equal to range. Therefore, f is not onto function. The condition for onto function is codomain not equal to range. So, the set of codomain equal to a comma b comma c, and set of range equal to b comma c. So, codomain not equal to range given function is not onto. Next, second statement. The second one, if x equal to a comma x comma y comma z, and f equal to x comma y comma z comma x, f such that from x to x. So, state whether, question number is state whether the following relations are function or not. Next, if it is a function, check for one-to-oneness and onto-ness. If it is not a function, state y. So, second one, if x equal to a comma b comma x comma y comma z. So, x has three elements, namely x, y, z, and f equal to function f equal to x comma y, z comma x comma z comma z comma x. Solution given x such that from x to x. So, last sum in f from a to a. So, second one given f such that x to x. So, we should draw the arrow diagram. So, first x. So, x has three elements, x, y, namely x, y, z, and also x, y, z. So, first x to y, and x to z to x. So, f is not a function. F is not a function since the elements x have two images. The elements x has two images, namely y and z, y and z. Reason f is not a function since the elements of x have two images, namely y and z. So, the important part is x there are two images in capital X. So, f is not a function. So, secondly, y image. So, therefore, f is not a function. This is our last sum. A க்கு மட்டும் இது இல்ல அப்படினு சொன்னா, so and the image of image A என்ன இல்ல அப்படினா pre image இல்ல. So but f is one function. First one f is one function. So f is not onto function. So second one, so f is not a function since the elements x have two images, namely y and z, because f is not one and onto function. F is not one and onto function. Thank you. Dear student, exercise 1.3, put the sum. Let a equal to 1, 2, comma 4, 3, 4 and b equal to a, comma b, comma c, comma d. Give a function from a to b for each of the following. First one, neither one of the one, neither 1 to 1 and not onto. Second one, not 1 to 1 but onto. Third one, 1 to 1 but not onto. Fourth one, 1 to 1 and onto function. Give a function from a to b. So solution, first one, we should draw the arrow diagram. So A has 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, and B equal to A, B, C, D. Let F equal to 1, comma A, 2, comma A, 3, comma C, 3, comma D. 1, comma A, 2, comma A, 3, comma C, 4, comma C. So case 1, the different elements in A does not have different images in B. So different elements in A does not have different images in B. So F is not 1-to-1 function. F is not 1-to-1 function. So case 2, domain equal to A, B, C, D. The domain is A, B, C, D. The range equal to A and C. A and C. The codomain not equal to range. The codomain not equal to range. Therefore, F is not onto function. So, hence F is neither 1-to-1 and nor onto function. So, reason F is not 1-to-1 function. So, the different elements in A does not have different images in B, and the codomain equal to range. Codomain does not equal to range. So, F is not onto. Hence, F is neither 1-to-1 and not onto. Thank you. Next. Second one. Second one. The function does not exist for not 1-to-1 but onto. The function does not exist. So, the function is that not 1-to and not 1-to but onto. So, the function is so it is not possible. This function is not possible. But the function does not exist. So, the function is it's not possible. It is possible. This function F is not 1-to-1 but onto. So, third one. So, third one 1-to-1 but not onto. 1-to-1 but not onto. So, it is not possible. The function does not exist. The function does not exist. So, second one and the third one, it's not possible. Second one, third one, it's not. This statement is not true. Even the statement is not true. So, second and the fourth are not possible. Sorry, second and the third are not possible. The function does not exist. Fourth one, we should draw the arrow diagram. A is A 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is A, B, C, D. So A have 4 elements and B have 4 elements. So case 1, here the different elements have different images. So different elements have different images in B. The different elements in A have different elements images in A. So F is one-to-one function. F is one-to-one function. Case 2, here domain, codomain and range. Codomain equal to range. So codomain is codomain equal to A, B, C, D. A, B and C, D. Range F equal to A, B, C, D. So codomain equal to range. So F is onto. Hence F is, given function F is one-to-one and onto function. So thank you. Dear student, exercise 1.3, first sum. Suppose that 120 students are studying in 4 sections. Four sections of 11th students standard in a school. Let A denote the set of students, and B denote the set of the sections, We find a relation from A to B as x related to y if the student x belongs to the section y. X belongs to the student x belongs to the stationary, the section y. So x related to y if the relation x belongs to the section y. First question is this relation a function. Question 1. What can you say? What can you say relation. Inverse relation. Explain your answer. Explain your answer. Explain your answer. So, question is, suppose that 120 students are studying in 4 sections of 11th standard in a school. Let A denote the set of students and B denote the set of sections. Define the relation from A to B as X related to Y if the student X belongs to the section Y. Is this relation a function? First question, is this the relation a function? Second question, what can you say about the inverse relation? Explain your answer. Dear students, exercise 1.3, first sum. Suppose that 20 students are studying in 4 sections of 11th standard in a school. Let A denote the set of students and B denotes the set of the sections. Define a relation from A to B as X related to Y if the student X belongs to the section Y. Is this a function if this relation is a function? Second question, what can you say about the inverse relation? Explain your answer. Solution. Given n of A equal to 120. So A is the number of students in the school. So B is 4 sections. So A is 120 students. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see the arrow diagram. First A, second B. So left side A is 1, 2, 3 to 120 students, and B is 4 sections C1, C2, C3, namely C1, C2, C3, C4. So n of A 120, n of B 4. So F such that from A to B. Let the 4 sections be C1, C2, C3 respectively, and case 1, X related to Y. If the student X belongs to the section Y, this relation is a function. Since every student of set A will be mapped onto same section in B. So every student of set A will be mapped on to some section in B. F is 1, 1. F is a function from A to B. So F is 1, 1 function. So the A will be all students, every students. So we will select any one section. So this function F is a function from A to B. Second one, the inverse relation if F inverse such that from P to A. The inverse relation is not a function. Since one section may have more than one student. One section more than one student. For example, the seat pathina 3 males, 2 and 3. So since one section will have more than one student, so the inverse relation is not a function. Inverse relation is not a function. So F inverse from such that lead to A. So first F is a function. First question, is this a relation a function? Yes, F is a relation function from A to B. So the condition. So A to B ku okay. So A la ku ella free image ku angana ku image irukum. Inga inverse relation varumbodhu இந்த C2 க்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா இருக்குது உங்களுக்கு 2 free image வந்துரும். ஏனா உங்களுக்கு இப்படி பாக்கும்போது தான் என்னது image. அதான் இருக்கு the inverse of relation F B to A. இங்க B to A வரும்போது so B free image, A is image. So இப்போ நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க? இங்க C2 க்கு பார்த்தோம்னா more than one image. More than one image. Yes. So since one section may have more than one students, so this the inverse relation is not a function. Inverse relation is not a function. Thank you.